Hello and welcome back to the Rare Craftsman workshop. In today's video we are building another pallet wood lamp. It's gonna be a plant pallet wood lamp. Probably seen my previous video there. It seemed like you guys liked it, so we'll see if I can get another one, slightly different one done. Today's video also features something new. I'm not doing many of those, but I'm not going to review any tools. But guys from Banggood contacted me, and they offered, not a cooperation, they offered to send me stuff. I got to pick what I want, and I said whenever I like the tools, I'll use it and I'll feature it in the video. I'll put the links in the description. Okie doke, so what are we working with today? Let's start with a plane. You don't need one, you can actually sand it by hand or use a sander. I do prefer the finish it leaves. I've got some chunky scrap pine for the base, hardwood pallet boards, LED lights as usual. There would not be a project from Rare Craftsman without LED lights, and a really nice plant pot. Let's get to work. just a quick update. What we have right here is, so that's our pallet boards with the LEDs installed already. There we go. So that looks pretty decent. And the pine stand, she needs a little bit of shaping, but I'll get it done on a bandsaw.